Hey, it's Chris here. This is an unusual item for what I usually put up. Several years back, my wife and I had a small jewelry company, and I mostly dealt in precious stones, but for when we would go out to like concerts and music festivals and stuff like that, we started buying stuff to sell and trade while we were out, just fun stuff. And these are just some of the leftovers from some of our inventory. And I know I have more somewhere, but I just found this handful here. And I'm going to sell it as the lot. And there's 3, 6, 7, 8 pieces here, right? 3, 6, 8 pieces here. I'm going to sell it as a lot. So go over to fiddlebone.com and check it out, and I'm going to put up a whole bunch more. I think I may have to make like a whole clearance section just to get rid of some of our old inventory and stuff like that. And all this stuff is going to go really cheap because I just don't need to keep it around. Okie dokie. So go to fiddlebone.com, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, follow us on Instagram, and have a great day.